Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be seeing the wrap option. So basically what the wrap option does is it's used to wrap a closed sketch around a solid object. So first let us start by creating a solid object. I'll do a simple cylinder over here. And now I need to create a reference plane so that I can sketch the pattern on which I want to project onto the surface. So I'll create a reference plane. The first reference is this, and the second reference will be a plane parallel to it, so that I can get a tangential plane to this. Now I'll make sure I am oriented properly so that I can sketch. Now I'll just create a pattern whichever I want. So make sure the pattern is always a close sketch, or else it cannot be projected onto it. Now let's activate the wrap option over here. Now I'll select the sketch and the surface to be projected on. So as you can see, it's projected onto it there. So there are three options here: emboss, deboss and scribe. So we'll start with emboss. So here when I choose emboss, it basically gets extruded on the surface by the selected thickness over here. As you can see, I've kept the thickness at 3. Now if I press deboss, it gets cut into the surface of the solid by the specified thickness. And lastly, the scribe option, it just projects the sketch onto the surface. There is no thickness, nothing given to it. So this wrap option comes handy when you want to create a pattern on a cylinder or something. Maybe it's used in press where you want to keep repeating the patterns again and again. So based on the requirement, you can put the pattern and project it and wrap it up. So as we can see here, there's another option here, spline surface. It's a slightly advanced option. We'll be seeing it in a later video. So this was the wrap option which we saw today. Hope it was helpful. If you have any doubts, requests, or any other issues, you can post them in the comments. I'll address them. Thank you guys for watching.